Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, let's rebuild.
And here we go. Round 24 begins. And immediately the points are being scored. It is neck and neck. And blue team takes the early lead. At the start of telly, the bots leap into action. There's still a chance while both hubs are illuminated for both alliances to score, and blue widens their lead. It's the Red Alliance's turn to score some points. Both teams are scooping up fuel, sending it to their respective sides. The ground here is rumbling as these bots trundle over the landscape. Oh, 5790 crashing into the trench. They need to use the bump. 6800. Deadlock scoring for the Blue Alliance. Their lead increases. Amaryllis deftly using its small size to maneuver under the trench and collecting fuel, sending it back to the Red Alliance's territory. Now it's up to the teammates to score points for the Red Alliance. Their hub is illuminated. Now is the time. And that's all the time they have in the phase. The blue hub is illuminated. Deadlock continues to score points for the Blue Alliance. There's a little confusion as 5790 is hung up over one of the bumps. The teammate trying to dislodge it and get it back into action. And now we're in the end game. Both hubs illuminate and anything goes. Blue team with a sizable advantage. Red team can still secure some points. There's a flag on the play for the Blue Alliance. How will that affect the outcome? 5 seconds left on the clock. And the action is not stopping until the final buzzer sounds, and that's the end of round 24. Please stand by for the final. The Blue Alliance is the winner of round 24, 216 points to 53, scoring 3 ranking points for the victory and 1 for energized threshold.